Hello, in this live stream, I'm going to do iMovie, it's going to be an iMovie green screen tutorial. So, yeah. But, so here's how you add green screening into your project. First, you're going to want to go Command, comma, and now you're going to want to check Advanced Tools, because or else it won't let you use green screen or blue screen. And what I do does apply for your blue screen as well. Okay. So next, have your green screen footage ready. Like I'm just going to use I have a couple of green screen effects. So right, okay, here are all of my effects. Now, for this one, I'm just going to simply use this effect. Now, it doesn't have to be an effect. Okay. But let me just read. I know it's a bit laggy, but so I'm gonna call this project green screen. Green screen live stream. Okay, so now that it's here, I'll just first take the footage that I want to add the effect to, not like the effect itself. So now what I'm going to want is to take my whole footage, and I'm just going to want to drag it on top green screen. So now that'll add the effect in. Now of course there is some loss when you do this from the original footage. Like if you take a look, his hand, just his arm becomes kind of invisible. But so that's just something to look out for, versus if you watch this, his arm is like perfect. So yeah, and those all just things to look out for. And so that's basic green screening. Now if you were thinking of maybe when you clicked on this video, like almost not a green screening, but I'm doing a kind of a sensor effect. Almost. Well, I'll also show you how to do that. I think it's under. Oh no, they didn't have that effect anymore. But whatever. So here's how you would here's how you do that kind of sensor effect, if that's what any you were wondering how to do. Just simply export using QuickTime. Now make it a .mp4. Now of course I'm gonna want to save it at its worst quality, so take this to least, faster encode. You're gonna want to save fast starts, okay, faster. So the sound quality is not gonna be great either, but one thing I do is I detach the audio from one of the clips, so it basically mutes the audio from the clip. Okay, you can't see the loading bar since I set this to iMovie only, but it's actually exporting. I'll just need to quickly, you'll see my face. Actually, you won't see. I'm just gonna do this. Now it made it. Okay, now I can show you. Now I think you can see my entire desktop. So now I just finished exporting, so now it should be called green screen live stream. I tried to save it as an MP4, but now once this is in very poor quality, so now what we're going to do is we're going to export to iMovie. Now Oh, unknown error. Okay, that's why I'm gonna change. I thought this would happen. So here's the other thing you would do if this ever happens. It's usually because of the type of file is not supported by Imovie, or Imovie just happens to be down or something kind of like that. Let me just find it. So I'm gonna want to hit enter, change it to a .mp4, use MP. Now this means it's basically compatible with the iPhone now, and it's in there. I think iMovie might support this. See, yeah, you basically, the other thing you can do is export to web, where to movies. Now, if you export it to the web, not even gonna let me export it to the web, so I'll have to export it to iTunes, I guess. Okay, so now there's a clear problem. I won't be able to do the sensor effect, but yeah, that's green and blue screen effects. If you had a blue screen, which I'll show you, here's how you would do a blue screen. Of course, since this is green screen footage, it won't affect it, but if I just were to show you it's this blue screen, just to prove that it works, see it overlaps because there's nothing. The only thing that, the only part that's blue is that, so it turns it into a green color. But other than that, it's just the normal effect. But if you're trying to get some weird color scheme, this works really well. But let me just switch that back to flip, and then just green, and now here's what you've got. So you can press Command G to view it full screen.
It's 11 o'clock.
But I don't think they'll allow me to do that. So just kind of watch. Actually, I know how to do it. Got. Okay, so. Good. There. Of course, if you had a better green screen, the effect would come out a lot better. But yeah. So that's basically green screen effect.